मनी मेक्स मनी। कितने लोगों ने सुना है ये बात और कितने लोग इस बात को सच मानते हैं? सच बताइएगा। एटलीस्ट मैं अपनी जिंदगी में हजारों लोगों से ये बात सुना हूं, मनी मेक्स मनी, मनी मेक्स मनी। बेटा तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है तो तुम पैसे नहीं कमा सकते, एंड सिमिलर थिंग्स। मनी मेक्स मनी, मनी मेक्स मनी, मनी मेक्स मनी। बट डज इट मेक मनी? Does money really makes money? If you also think so, tell me in the comments. Why do you think so? What makes you think so that money makes money? Let me tell you, money does not make money. Let me tell you, money does not make money. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, if you think so, I'll prove you wrong. Tell me one thing. I have a few questions for you. Number one question. If money made money, why more than 80% of the millionaires are first generation millionaires? Then they never had the right to become a millionaire because they never had money. How did they make money? How and why are 80% of the millionaires first generation millionaires? Why are they not the children of some other millionaires? It's not because money does not make money. This is one thought, this is one concept that is given to us as middle class people to always remain middle class, so that we cannot think of making money. Because we do not have money, we cannot think of money. Because we do not have money, we do not have the right to think of money. Because we do not have money, we cannot become millionaires or billionaires. This is one thought that is given to us by others who always want us to stay middle class. So if you want to stay middle class, then you can always think of this and give an excuse to yourself. Oh man, money makes money and I do not have money, so I will never have money. But if you want big, if you think big, and if you want to come out of this middle class, then you have to stop saying to yourself that money makes money. Money does not make money. Okay? Number 2 point. If money made money, who has the most money in this world? Banks? Why do they need money from you? If money had made them money, why would they need money from you and give you back 3% or 4% of interest? They need money again from you because you are an idiot and they are smart. Because we middle class people never think of why am I going and giving the bank money to get back 3% or 4% of interest, and they make 25 or 30% of income out of that. And what we do, the inflation is 10% and we are making 3 to 4%. How stupid of us. We are not even getting what we should be getting, but still most of us stand in queue in front of the bank to keep our money in the savings account. So if money made money, banks would have never asked you to deposit money in their account. They would have earned a lot of money because they anyways have a lot of money. So banks steal money from you because they also need a lot of money. They already have a lot of money, but they also need to add a lot of money to it to make more money from it. So money does not always make money. And if you are waiting for the money to make money for you, there are high chances. So if you wait for money to make money for you, I'm 100% sure that you will end up losing all what you have, because money will not make you money. Another question, have you always heard that a penny saved is a penny earned? Yes? So that again is a misconception. Do you spend money on things that you need and you need loans and EMIs to repay them? Yes? Then again you are wrong. Why? So what do you think makes money? What exactly do you think makes money? If money does not make money, what exactly makes money? So to make money, you need a lot and lot of guts. You need a lot of courage. You need a lot of risk-taking ability. You need a lot of creativity. You need a lot of hard work. You need a lot of smart work. And you need a lot of those things, but you do not need money to make money. This is one thing that you need the least to make money. So what do you need? You need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage, you need a lot of risk-taking ability, you need a lot of creativity and hard work and smart work to make money, but you do not need money to make money. Take it out. Take the list of the millionaires and the billionaires and find it out for yourself. Who are the biggest and the richest people on earth? And if they are first generation millionaires or second or third generation millionaires, you'll get your answer. Who have made it big, who have earned the most money. And you will find an answer for yourself that money does not make money. People who had the courage, people who had the ability to take risk, attitude to take risk and win big, make big, they are the richest person on earth. Be it Elon Musk, be it Steve Jobs, be it Jeff Bezos, be it Warren Buffett, whoever it is. Money has not made money for them. It is just a misconception. It is just a myth that we middle class people are said so that we take the money that we collect, we save and put it in the bank accounts. Put it where? In the mutual funds. Put it where? In the saving accounts and fixed deposits and some SIPs and something that does not make sense financially. So stop thinking that money makes money. Start building up your skills. Start investing on your skills. Start spending on yourself first, then your company, and then on growing your business, and then maybe you can start investing on somebody else's company when you have already invested enough with yourself and you are sure that the other company where you are investing will generate you a lot of money. Then you can go all in, buy the ownership stake, buy the equity stake there, and do not just be a 1, 200, 500 shareholder where you not even count. Your decisions do not matter and you always end up being a loser. So what I would suggest you to stop doing is stop keeping money in bank accounts. Stop investing in mutual funds and SIPs. Stop diversifying money. Invest at one place. Go all in. And that investment has to be first on your skills, second on your business, and third, again, at a place that generates a lot of cash flow. That can be real estate, that could be other businesses. But if they are generating real cash flow for you and not just some dividend income or something, but they are generating you a handsome cash flow. So what do you think? You know, more than 90% of the people on this earth get born with money problems and die with money problems. That's really sad. That's, who said this? Yeah, Bill Gates. If you are born rich, that is not your problem. That is not your mistake. But if you die if you die poor, I said something wrong. So if you are born poor, that is not your problem, not your mistake. But if you die poor, that is your 100% mistake. So to make a commitment, make it your ethical liability to not die poor. Make yourself the richest person, the brightest person, the most powerful person, and make a lot of money for yourself, your family, your society, your church, your temple, wherever you think you want to be associated with. Make a lot of money, not only for yourself, but for everybody around you. And you will see the fun, the excitement of having a lot of money. Do you agree to me? If yes, tell me in the comments below, and if no, still tell me in the comments below why you do not choose to agree with me, and why do you think that money makes a lot of money, and by just saving in mutual funds or in savings account can help you make a lot of money. Tell me in the comments below, and I'll be waiting for your answers.